Here's how to fix disconnected from the AnyDesk network, AnyDesk not connecting to network. So the first thing that you need to do is go to the control panel of your desktop. Afterwards, look for System and Security options. Click on Review your computer status. Afterwards, you will see there Windows Defender Firewall. What you need to do is to click on Check Firewall Status. Afterwards, you will see there or you will be redirected on the page of the control panel home. On the left side, you will see there Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. What you need to do is to click on that as well. And then scroll up until you see there the AnyDesk.exe. Click on that. And then on the right side, you will see there two boxes. What you need to do is to check the two boxes to make sure that you are going to change its setting. Now to finally change the setting, you have to scroll up once again and you will see there the change settings options. Click on that. And then what you need to do is to restart and see if you have already fixed the AnyDesk network error.